Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is March 15th, Monday session. This is the pre-market right here. I've got an indicator on the bottom and an indicator on top of the screen. You can see how they coincide and match with the timing of my trading method. And these are long, short, long, long again. This is showing a signal short here, but it would not be probably a trade that I would take, so I'm not marking it, but there is a signal short right here, and you can see the transition. This basically is short at the red line, long at the green line, and trades that are in between, or as prices are in between the two signal lines, they actually just go like to a gray or a white. But we're just pointing out how the indicators kind of match with the trading methodology. Kind of the two top and bottom, I've got them correlated so that they're pretty consistent, and just need to be able to read the price action, and that's actually the way we base our trades. I could have used a little help later in the day with the indicator. There was a bad trade over here that I took short, got out with just minus a tick, but I'll get to that. So anyway, these are some of the turns. Market was really kind of quiet. Was pretty nothing really good to trade off of. This move here was good short, and there was a long trade towards the end of the day. But everything else was really kind of small and choppy. This trade here after the open was right around in here. This would have been okay for a point. This would have been fine for a point. This also for a point. And first trade here was minus 2 ticks. Second trade minus a tick. Third trade plus a point, and then plus 3 points. I was could have waited. Wanted to get outside of this range or something a little bit more clearly defined, but kind of got whipsawed here a little bit, but small. As soon as I seen the trade doesn't work in my favor, or didn't work in my favor at this point inside here, I closed that out pretty quickly. But this trade here was actually the trade that I was looking for. And you can see I could have easily carried this another couple of points lower. Just as far as the indicator is concerned, it didn't say to get out until right in over here, which was right over here. The momentum pushed this down and kept it down all the way till over this area right here. But yeah, one of the filters that just really not many filtered. This trade right here, actually, that could have actually been okay still. Weathered a stop, a 4 or 5 tick stop, but only filtered a couple of the trades out as I'm showing you here. Short, long in here. This was +2, +2 and flat, +2 and flat, and +2 and flat. There was 3 small trades in here. This was right at the slow period of the day, and I knew that that was what to expect, so I had preset my target there for just a half a point, and then just in case we had anything running, I would be able to take advantage of that, but there wasn't. So as the trade moved back up against my initial position short and then long, then I got out at flat. Over here, this was the only one bad trade. I'm saying only one, but that's one too many. And even this trade over here was a little presumptuous. I did see a move coming short. This was for 1 point, but I was not really too happy really with either of these. This trade worked out, but this was just a -1 tick against me there. The next trade looked like about a point. Actually, it looks like I went flat in here, and then this up here was for minus a point or plus a point, then flat on the second half, and then this was just plus a point, all in, all out. So that's as those were marked. A few ticks lost, really, not anything big at all, and quite a bit of gains in there. So I was pretty happy about it overall. I did see this big move potentially coming. I could have easily taken two contracts off here, let the second one or the third one run just like I did here. I took 2 off, then let 1 run, and I could have taken that a little bit farther down. I have many different ways really on how to get out of the trade and scale, not scale, but move my stop down. There's other things that I put up on the screen.